Hi, my name is Randy Kelleher, and today I will be informing you about a creative way you could use the reading strategy called Paraphrastics in your classroom. Paraphrastics is an activity located in the book titled Literacy in Grades 4 through 8, Best Practices for a Comprehensive Program by Nancy Lee Cecil, Joan P. Geip, and Marcy Merrill. Paraphrastics is an activity which will require the use of a dictionary and thesaurus as students try to look up synonyms to new words. The students will then create paraphrases that correspond to the original adages provided. Pixlr is a photo editing app recommended for students in the 3rd through 8th grade range that could be downloaded on multiple devices and could be used to create memes. Memes have become a part of our students' culture, and allowing students to create their own to share will motivate them throughout this activity while the students are also expanding their vocabulary in a memorable way. According to Nancy Lee Cecil, Joan P. Geip, and Marcy Merrill, Paraphrastics is a best practice because learners are intrigued by adages in which synonyms have replaced the original words and phrases, although the original meaning has been kept intact. One good reason for using this strategy and app together are that you are able to incorporate reading, writing, art, and the use of technology all in one activity. The second reason is that students will enjoy creating amusing pictures to share with the class while they learn. On the other hand, one downside is that some of the students may not want to share their work with everyone. If they don't want to share, it is all right. You may look at and verify that they have completed the assignment without them sharing it to the class. The second downside is that students may take a lot more time on the photo editing process than they should. When performing this activity in your classroom, the first thing you would need to do is create a list of adages or phrases for your students to decipher. Then, you will need to divide your students into small groups and have each group choose an adage to work with. I will use 1 cent saved is 1 cent acquired. You will provide each student in the group with a dictionary and thesaurus so the students will be able to look up the new words or synonyms that are needed to paraphrase the adage. Once the students have finished recording their new phrases down on paper, have them come to you to verify that they have the correct phrase. Mine will translate to, "A penny saved is a penny earned." When the students' paraphrases have been approved, have the students use a tablet, phone, or computer to get on Pixlr. Here, the students are responsible for creating a meme with the new phrase to share with the class once everyone is done. The editing process is simple. Students can access photos that are in the public domain on Google and then access it through Pixlr to edit it. Once the editing is done, the photo can be saved and the students can wait for the rest of the class to finish with their pictures. When everyone has finished, allow the groups to take turns displaying their memes to the class. While the images are being displayed, provide the students with a copy of the original list of adages, and have the other groups try and guess which original adage from the list was used. By having the students guess which adage each group used, you are informally assessing their ability to use context clues. And then here's an original product of what one might look like when they're finished.